So welcome back my friend in my new and very most important video. And if you have Samsung Galaxy S24 series, S24 Ultra, S24 FE, and if you have also Samsung S23 series also, means S23 Ultra, S23, so this video is especially for you if you forget your Gmail ID account credential and you cannot configure your smartphone. So in this video I can show you how can you unlock your any Samsung S series. In just only 5 minutes you can easily unlock without using computer and without using any software tool. In just 5 minutes you can use a service center offline method to unlock this Samsung model. So let's start the video first. You have to see here this is the latest version of Android 15 or 16. So you have to start your configuration. Then after you will be select the agree, and again you have to choose setup manually option. After that, in this page you have to connect your smartphone to the internet through Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot. When you have to connect to the internet, you have to remove the SIM tray. This is very important. So you have to remove the SIM tray. Okay. Then after, when you successfully remove the SIM tray, you have to connect to the only charging cable. Okay, don't connect to the computer, only connect to the charging cable. Okay, after that your phone will connect to the charging. After that you have to click the next button here. And then your phone will asking to enter your PIN pad and password lock. But to also forget this, so you have to select use my Google account instead option. And then your phone will asking to enter your Gmail ID account credential. Okay, but you also forget, so click here and wait for the keyboard section opened. When this keyboard section opened, you have to find this a small setting icon. Okay, so got it. So you have to select this to open, and when this page will appear your mobile screen, means this setting page, so you can do any changes here. Okay, so first of all you have to reset all settings here. So go down and find reset to default settings. So click here to open this. After that there are lots of resetting options, so you have to reset all of them one by one. If you have 2 options, do the same thing, reset all 2 or 4 options one by one, like that. When this will done, go back. After that you have to find the first option, this is languages and types. So click here to open this, and then you have to select manage input languages, second option. So click here. And then after, my friend, I want to tell you the Google is also from United States, so you have to select the same language. So you have to select the English US, okay, and English UK along with. After that you have to deselect all other languages here, and then after you have to go to the right side of a screen, find this 3 dot and click here to open. Click check for updates and wait for a few moments. Then after, update message will appear here, so you have to select to install the update, and when this will done, go back, and when you comes in the main page, you have to find suggest text corrections option here. So you have to open this. Okay, after that you have to find this manage apps option, so you have to open this. And my friend, you can see here there are lots of applications, but you have to turn off and turn on for one time all available apps here. After that, go down and find some few options here. First of all, you have to turn off some few applications. So go down and turn off the smart switch option. Go upper section, turn off the Samsung Max VPN option, and done. Your smartphone is now ready to apply unlocking method. So go back, find the layout section here, my friend. This is the layout option. So click here to open this, and here you have to turn on the alternative characters. Go down and turn on the last option. This is www.slash.com. This is very important option. Okay, so go back to the home screen right now, and when you comes in the welcome page, you have to change your language first. So you have to select the language option. Again, find you have to English US, means English United States, and click OK. Now done. After that, my friend, open the emergency call option page here, and this page will very important. Because of that, we have to apply a very unique service center code here, and the code is star hash 0 star and hash. And when you click the hash button, a new page will appear into your mobile screen like that, and you have to find a very unique option called sensor. So you have to open this sensor option and wait for 5 seconds. Yes, my friend, you can see here there are lots of sensors are synchronizing here, like X, Y, Z, X angle, gyroscope, and magnetic and azimuth. Okay, so you have to wait for a minimum 5 seconds, and when 5 seconds completed, go back. Okay, go back again, and again, my friend, you have to open emergency call option here, and at this moment, my friend, you have to enter service center Google FRP removal code here, and the code is star hash 999 star 60301 star 0 star hash, and you have to enter this code into your emergency call option page. When you enter this code, you have to only call this code and wait for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, and done. Go back and tap a screen for few times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now you can see here the scanner option has been opened now. So you have to go back, and again start your configuration as usual. So you can see here, click agree and select setup manually option. Click the next button here and click don't copy, and now your smartphone is unlocked now by using this amazing service center method. So if you have any queries, comment us with your specific Samsung model name, and then after you will be able to unlock. And now you can see here in this page we got this skip message, so click here to skip this whole process, and now your smartphone is unlocked now. So you can now choose a new type of pin pattern password lock. So I am going to configure a new pattern lock here, and if you have any problem, comment us, and please mention your specific Samsung model name. Then after our team will reply within 5 to 10 minutes, so that you will be also able to unlock your any kind of Samsung model at your home. This is very important. So don't try to skip this video at any moment. Otherwise, you won't be able to learn how can you unlock any Samsung model at your home at free of cost. This is fully service center authorized method. So you have to apply all these methods into your logged Samsung model. Now select your preferred settings. Don't close the videos until the method completes. Okay, and now you can see here, click the Play Store for checking purpose, and now you can see here you can now sign in with the new Gmail ID account credential. So if you have any queries, comment us to a specific Samsung model name with us, and then after our team will reply very soon. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned and keep watching.